Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Coach Sherry. I hope you enjoy this video. It is of a train ride that I went on with my father, one of my most favorite sister cousins, and one of my dearest aunts in the fall. My father loves foliage and seeing the changes in the colors. So we took a train ride from Beacon, New York to New York City, Grand Central Station. This video is just going to highlight the train ride and some of the conversation, the random conversation that my cousin and I had. If you've ever taken this train, let me know. If this is your commute train, let me know. I think this is a beautiful train ride. I would love to ride on a train like this every day to work. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not yet part of the team, I invite you now to hit the subscribe button and the bell for notification so that you will always be alerted when I upload a new video. All right, enjoy the ride.
This is beautiful. Is that another train over there? Yeah, it's a freight train. It goes all the way down.
So then boys cook something.
That's crazy, right?
That's West Point.
West Point?
West Point.
Oh. Oh.
West Point.
Wow. Yeah, it's okay. Do a lot of people like videotape and stuff?
Yeah. Or just take pictures. You can look at them later and be like, oh,
I'm gonna put all this in together. I'm gonna put it on YouTube. There's so many people all over the world that just don't get a chance to see certain things, so they're always looking for, you know,
an experience.
yeah. Wow, look at those mountains down there.
It's like great.
Yeah. It's I love blues music.
Do you really? That's interesting. I didn't know that.
Because he used to listen to it all the time. I used to think it was like music from Virginia. It's like so country.
Right.
And Howling Wolf's story is so amazing. Like, he was with Muddy Waters, he played with Muddy Waters, Fast Domino,
Yeah.
like the Rolling Stones and all them, they get it from Howling Wolf,
Yeah.
all that they do. Like a lot of their songs were from him. He made them. They even had him come and perform with them. Like, this is my teacher. He was their teacher.
Wow.
Even their daughters were saying how, like, he took that, he was, pleased with that role. Like, they're my students.
Yeah.
And there was even a clip of Mick Jagger singing one of his songs and playing the harmonica. He also plays the guitar, all that, so well. But he just gave his all. And none of them were really good singers. It's just the stories they told.
Yeah. Lyrics and
and the music.
Yeah, the guitar.
Man, if I was in that day, the 50s and the 60s, I would have. I would love that. That was some really good.
Take road on.
I'm hardly hearing laughing exasperated.
Oh.
He's like, I can't go out with the chickens down today. I'm not going to be able to do that. I'm like, okay, you'll be fine.
Oh.
They don't have bread and run around the yard. You'll be fine. They've had a good day.
That's awesome to hear them. It's like, it feels like this country, but it's not.
I know, right? I know, it's crazy.
Mhm.
People are like, where do you live that you have chickens? I'm like, no, I don't. It's not rural. It's not.
But that's what, they're saying either you need to get chickens and crops or know somebody who has chickens and crops. Because it's about to get like that, with the export and imports and
Yeah,
things.
right. I know. It's crazy.
That's one thing I learned in my economics class. We talked about globalization and the effects that COVID had on it, and it's kicked our ass.
Yeah.
Like, it exposed us to be so inefficient, and how we have to do more on the regional and national level, mostly regional, because we can't get things.
Yeah.
So manufacturing
Like,
plants.
it's crazy how everything ended up so bottlenecked.
I know.
So
But I noticed that before COVID. I remember it was December.
Before COVID, it seemed like it was just manipulation, like just some kind of trying to fuck with the whole supply and demand thing, you know what I mean? Like, it didn't necessarily,
Translate
it
into.
was, it was really just done to, like, for profit.
125th Street, Harlem.
He needs a car.
Yeah.
He's in the Catskills. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
really